Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change style of your font on this device. Firstly, open Settings and choose Display. Now you need to choose Font Size and Style over here and go into Font Style. Then click on one of those fonts, like Samsung one, and as you can see, style of my font has changed. You can also download fonts by going into Download Fonts over here and clicking on this icon next to one of your font styles. When you're done, this font style will appear over here. To set it up, you need to click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!